Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we are going to be looking at SEO, specifically SEO for YouTube. So this is a quick little hack that won't cost you a single dime. So let's say you wanted to improve your SEO for one of your videos. I'm going to choose one of the videos from my second channel. And this one I put up just earlier. But if I wanted to improve my SEO for something about introverts, what I do, find your best performing video for introverts, and then you're going to put your cursor into the white space here, anywhere in the white space, right click it, you're going to look for view page source, and then you're going to see all this coding here. Control F, you'll see something pop up in the top, and you're going to type in keyword. And it's going to take you to two different keywords. So there's two places on this huge screen that has keywords on it, the word keywords. And what we're looking for is the one that's right next to meta name. And you can see right here, these are my keywords for this particular video. And if I wanted to improve it, I can go to a larger video or better performing video and see what their SEO words are, and go ahead and fix that up. Obviously, you know that SEO is not everything, but you need to have good content, good scripting, and then good SEO. Then maybe you can make a dent in YouTube. But this was just a quick little free way to improve your SEO on YouTube.